Imagine drifting through the vast emptiness of space, stars twinkling in the distance, when suddenly you spot a dark, swirling abyss ahead. It's a black hole, a place where the laws of physics bend and reality itself seems to unravel. But what would actually happen if you fell into one? Today, on Beyond the Sky, we're about to take a journey where imagination meets science. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the unknown. Black holes are not vacuum cleaners sucking in everything around them. You could orbit them safely if you're far enough away, but get too close, and their gravity is unlike anything you've experienced. It's stronger than anything on Earth. You'd experience something called spaghettification, a process where your body would stretch and elongate like a piece of cosmic spaghetti. Imagine being pulled so violently that your feet feel heavier than your head, stretching you out atom by atom into the void. Terrifying and fascinating, but the strangeness doesn't stop there. As you approach the black hole, time itself begins to slow down relative to the outside world. To someone watching from afar, it would appear as if you are frozen at the edge, never actually crossing the point of no return, the event horizon. But for you, time flows normally until the moment you cross that boundary. It's a mind-bending paradox where reality splits depending on where you stand. Can you imagine watching the universe age in seconds while you remain trapped in a single instant? The event horizon is the ultimate point of no return. Nothing that crosses it can escape, not even light. It's a cosmic curtain hiding the mysteries inside. Theoretically, if you could survive the unimaginable forces, you might witness something incredible. A singularity, where all matter is crushed to an infinitely small point. Here, space, time, and matter merge into one. Physics, as we know it, ceases to exist. Some scientists even speculate that black holes could be portals to other universes, a doorway to realms we can barely imagine. Now, let's get a little creative. What if you fell in feet first and somehow survived spaghettification? You'd see the universe warped around you, stars bending like liquid light. Maybe you'd even witness light from the entire universe compressed into a single point, a cosmic light show. Some theories suggest that information swallowed by black holes isn't destroyed, but encoded in mysterious ways. Could you carry the secrets of the cosmos inside you? It's a thought that pushes the boundaries of science and imagination. Falling into a black hole might be the ultimate journey into the unknown, a trip that challenges every notion of reality. It's terrifying, beautiful, and utterly mysterious. And while we might never survive such a journey ourselves, understanding black holes gives us a glimpse into the deepest, most extreme corners of the universe. The cosmos is stranger than fiction, and black holes are the ultimate reminder of that truth. If you enjoyed this voyage into the abyss, don't forget to subscribe to Beyond the Sky. We'll continue exploring the universe's most mind-blowing mysteries, from the tiniest particles to the largest cosmic giants. And remember, out there, beyond the stars, reality is far stranger than anything you can imagine.